Frizzlife SP99 is extremely easy to install. Before installation, please be aware of these things regarding the tubing. Be aware that to remove the tubing from the fitting, you need to push down the collar and at the same time pull out the tubing. Be aware that to insert the tubing, you need to remove the blue clip first. Now let's begin installation of the system. If you want to install on a wooden panel, you just mount with 2 screws with a distance of 3.8 inches between. Frizzlife doesn't recommend you to mount the system if your sink is too narrow to work with. Now let's install the valve. Remove the screw on the valve. Push the tubing to the very end and tighten the screws with a wrench. Don't do it too hard in case of breaking the tubing. Shut off the water supply. Remove the existing water hose and connect the valve. Make sure the rubber O-ring is inside. Hand tighten, then connect the existing water hose back on. If the thread size of your feed water valve is 1/2 inch, please contact us to get a converter. Now let's connect the tubing to the filter system. Measure a proper tubing length and cut the tubing using the provided blade. And make sure to cut the tubing vertically in an oval shape, or coarse surface of the tubing will cause leakage. Mount the tubing to the filter where it is labeled supply. It is important that the tube is installed to the deepest point of the fitting, otherwise it may leak. The gray fitting does not have any blue clips. There is no need to mount blue clips at this step. Next step is to install the water faucet. You need to drill a 1/2 inch hole if your sink doesn't have an existing hole. First, you should check if the thickness of your granite-free countertop is more than 1.1 inches. Please contact us to get a longer faucet stem for free. Mount the faucet in the hole, install all the rubber washers, and hand tighten the faucet. Connect the tubing with the provided I-type fitting, and connect the fitting to the faucet and lock it with the blue clips. Cut the correct length of tubing and connect it to where it is labeled filtered. The last step is to turn on both the angle valve and the T-valve to check if there are any leaks. Then flush the system for 3 to 5 minutes before use. Filter cartridge replacement is not difficult, but it is very important that you shut off the water supply first, then replace the filter cartridges. Twist off the water filter cartridge container and use a wrench to turn it counterclockwise to unscrew the bottom cap of the container and replace the inside cartridge with a new one. The wrench is important whenever replacing the filter cartridge. If it is broken or lost, please contact us to get a new wrench. If you want your refrigerator or ice maker to have pure water from SP99, Frizzlife also has the Ice Maker Kit available. Just search Frizzlife Ice Maker Kit. If your sink is too narrow or you don't have enough space, we suggest you go with our MP99 or MK99 single-stage water filter system. Please feel free to contact us anytime if you encounter any problems during installation or usage. Thank you.